This Bacon Meads medical air generator. There's some filters right there, some Atlas Capco filters. Here's your lifeline tank. Here's your label right here. Everything looks to be intact. It's oilless. Some surface rust. Fans. All the steel has been outside. So don't know if it works or not. I mean, we haven't started it up. It's hardwired. Obviously these systems don't run on you gotta direct wire it. I'm gonna shot at that label. That's your Bacon Meads. Oh, here's the compressor, which is fairly important. That's your Bacon Meads oil-free compressor for medical air.